I'm Dr. Kristen Coles. I'm a naturopathic physician and a licensed acupuncturist. I'm in private practice here in beautiful Honolulu. I work with patients of all ages and I help them achieve optimal health through natural means. I do a lot with diet, lifestyle, functional lab testing, working with supplementation, IV nutrient therapy, and we really want to help balance the body and work with chronic disease and bring people into optimum balance. Today I'm talking about travel tips. When you live in Hawaii, we talk a lot about how to travel healthy because anytime we go anywhere, it's about a 6-hour plane flight at least to get to the mainland or anywhere else we're going. And travel can take its toll. It can really impact our health and we can definitely get sick when we reach our destination. And with the holidays coming up, I know nobody has time to be sick. So I have 3 main points I want to talk with you today. The first is hydration. Hydration is so important when it comes to getting on a plane. The air in planes is naturally very dry, so one of the first things that happens is our mucous membranes in our mouth and our sinuses get very dry. That's the first step to disaster because bugs, cold, flu, bacteria, virus, once those mucous membranes start to dry out, those bacteria can gain easy access right into our body. We have a really moist mucous membrane layer, and that sort of humidity prevents those bacteria from getting in. So I always like to fill up a really large glass of hot water before I get on the plane, and I carry lots of tea with me. I really love Throat Coat by Traditional Medicinals because it actually helps to coat the mucous membranes in your throat. I love a chamomile for relaxation. I love a turmeric tea for anti-inflammatory, but I just carry a lot of tea with me and I constantly keep that hot water mug full. The plane will fill you back up, and the other thing you can do is you can use it to kind of steam, so you can breathe in that hot vapor and that'll help the sinuses stay hydrated as well. Sometimes I'll even have people bring just a little saline nasal spray, and you can use that in your sinuses if you really tend to have sinuses that dry out easily. I'm a big fan of electrolytes for rehydration as well, so I always bring packets of electrolytes and I add it to my water, and that really helps hydrate inside your cells. Balancing your water with electrolytes is going to keep you hydrated on a systemic level. The second thing I really like to do when I'm doing plane travel is carry a little bit of essential oil with me. There's 3: thyme, lavender, and eucalyptus. Thyme essential oil is very cool because it is antimicrobial. So it will actually help kill off any of those bacteria that might be climbing around and getting access. You can just breathe the thyme essential oil. You don't even have to take it internally, and that will be enough to protect you and protect your barrier from the cold and flu. I like to pair that with lavender because it smells good, and thyme essential oil is kind of potent. And then I really like eucalyptus because that helps open your lungs and keep your airways nice and open, and it also smells really nice. The third thing that I think we can all agree on is that travel is stressful, and it can be even more stressful during the holidays when there's a lot more people at the airport. There's the hustle and bustle, there's winter weather, you might have delays, and that increase in stress automatically creates our immune system, causes our immune system to go down. So I do like to talk to people about doing things to help buoy up your adrenal glands, which is the primary organ system that helps you deal with stress. Simple way is to take some ginseng tea. Again, I love tea, and ginseng's a great herb. It's an adaptogenic herb, which means it's a tonic for your adrenal glands. There's a few different types of ginseng. There's American ginseng, there's Asian ginseng, and honestly, any and all of those will do the trick. Ginseng's also anti-inflammatory, and it has high antioxidants, so it also helps to balance out some of that oxidative stress we're getting from an increase in radiation when we're on a plane. So I hope that these travel tips are helpful, and I hope that you have a healthy and happy holiday time. Thanks.